You subscribe yet? Orang itu, ada messy. I'm done. Alright. Yeah, man. Later. Yeah.
Marika!
Oi.
Me can't come.
Yeah, man. The door open. Come.
Oh, come in. I want to come around here. I do not around here, you know.
We do what? What me feel here do?
Me can ask you something. You
Ask
good?
mama. Yeah, me good.
No, Marika. Me really have to ask you. Because me keep wanna see you post these things for your status. You sure you want Mr. Loverboy good?
We alright.
No, you can't tell me nothing. Me know not alright because other day you post say you wash some clothes and you this and you that. And when me come over here wash it through and then you post say going to the beach. And when time me look, me see you at beach through. So literally anything you post go so. So me see you post some things about you and him and problems and man, you just tell me the truth. I know you can't tell lie.
All your people post things on their status. You post things because you want to post it. Suppose me post it say me a smoke. And me there, me not for the smoke for true. Me just post it because me feel like me want to post it.
You not get what me I say. Me I say. Other day you post say going to the beach, right? Right?
Right.
You never go to the beach.
Yeah, end up that's me.
And you post yes, other man in a post say washing my sheets. You never wash your sheet them.
No, me did I wash panty.
Me come over here and see what I sheet them put up on the wire them. So that tell me lie. Marika, remember me come over here that day.
Alia?
Something is wrong. I know something is up.
Alia, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Me just post it because me feel like me want to post it. You understand?
Just remember this day, say, sit down and looking at my face and tell me lie.
Me not lie to you.
You are Marika, you lie. Me are chat foolish, you are telling lie.
Me not lie for true.
You are Marika. You literally, why? I first ever do this. You literally just sit down and looking at my face and tell me lie.
Tell the truth. The man there work, I'm a miss him, so I just post something for my status. Simple.
That posting there not signifies say you miss someone. It signifies say you wish a person did. You wish a person a walk and car just lick him, or you wish him a walk and drop down and dead or something. And that the post that it signify. It signifies say you miss him. So you can't fool me. So you see there's something where you post for your status, people will kill you for you know. Cause if you go White House or Sav now, you the post going to Sav soon. You post a location. When I reach Sav, just reach Sav. My God, someone know you.
Hey, listen to me. I don't understand why you're so interested in my business, by the way. Because knowing you don't post things for your status. And you're secretive. If you're down your yard and something happen to you, nobody know. Can you not tell nobody your business? I saw you stay.
Yeah, I saw me say yes, but me have my reason.
Why a reason?
Me not find it right somebody to sit down and talk to about my problem as yet. But listen here now, and I say me not find the right person.
No. Me understand what you're saying.
No, listen me. You see like how me come in your yard now, I become concerned about you, Marika. You see, if when me I go through my problems, they come in my yard and come and say, what's wrong with you? What is this? You never yet do that. So how me still not talk to you about my business? Tell me now.
Aliyah, how if you come in your yard, come and say what the yard is and that, women don't know if nothing wrong with you?
You not have to know. You can't just use the instinct, Marika. You can't just come. You not have to come ask me about my business, you know. You can't come check for me and say you're good. And me, I always be the one to come. Marika, you're okay. Everything, you eat, you this and me. You notice
you
me
know
always
why
be
you
the one
always
there.
come? Because you're the palm status. Not because you're the palm status. That's the means that they move them in. You understand?
Let me tell you something. Actually, because me care about you, I'm concerned. And that's why. You see, if me never care about you, Marika, I'm hoodoo the years right now. And you know that too. Because when me not care, me just not care.
I understand what you're saying, but what? You're secretive. At that time,
I'm a secretive person.
As me tell you,
me can't, Marika, you know what me go through in my life. You know, so me can't do trust people so.
But
So me have a secretive. But you don't trust me. Oh, me I go trust you when you don't trust me.
What do you mean by me
you
not
have to earn my trust. Just like how me I try hard to earn your trust, you have to earn mine. Because me they are trying America. And you keep on push me about nothing happen when me know something is up. So me have one question we want to ask America. Are we friends? Me really need to know if we are friends or we America. Oh, you can't answer. No, you say, if you not about that answer, you just give me answer. No, me I don't lift your face.
I don't give you no answer.
I lift your face. Just remember this, so you're a good man.
Me ain't that better. Me tell her say, stop make me see my business by your status. Much time I tell her.
What you mean?
Me no
you
want
to
to
put up on status.
Me no want the on your status. Stop put me on your status.
Oh.
Stop put me on your status.
5 years with them.
Me no business.
You
don't put me on your status.
Oh, that means a hide and seek thing we are doing.
I don't know hide and seek. Me no want the on nobody. You see me have to put on my status. Don't put me on your status. Put me on your status again here, we see.
Really?
Take your phone and fling it. I'll just put
fling up your phone in a wall.
Put me on your status.
Sit there, take it, fling in a wall. What we in a relationship or brother and sister thing? Because I don't understand what go on here. So, what you mean you don't want the palm status?
Yeah, post the negative part. I can't do something. Me tell you say, go wash your dirty clothes then. You can post it. Me no in that man. Me no in that. Stop do them something there. If they post one good thing and say alright, but they post the negative things. I want your status alone can make for negative things. Come in from work and me can't get the correct sure.
What you mean you can't get no rest?
As me come in, are you that? You just all up in my face. So you come hug me. You can't shout and hug. Stop doing them something then, man. Stop doing them something.
Oh, what kind of man you be?
Oh,
no man nah call me.
You're lucky here.
But this not safe.
Do what me tell you to do. Me I take you and fling me while you think I do. Make it
any
mad
day you think your name, anything with your name,
post
take my phone and fling in a wall.
Post negative thoughts.
I'm sure you wish God
post negative thoughts now.
I think I'm afraid of you.
Post negative thoughts.
Another, raise your hand and family again. Give me slippers in your face. You're bright.
I can't buy that. I go work a show. Bye.
Fronzy like how? What time? If you're glad to say yeah, somebody should come home too.
Thanks here. Yo, what going?
What going?
Come on now. How are you?
You don't know say the blast is going up a yard man in minute, you know, can't business for status, everything you post for status.
Jesus Christ, come over here so I see him. Come on, so tell the person on me you have to talk good man. Tell the person we have move so. You forgot to me your big sister?
Remember man, remember.
So you move so.
Actually the girl up the man get me.
So what me I say is, me go over there you know.
Yeah.
I'm a bit attack to her cause she keep on a push me. I remember my sister and I know but I'm not even say sister-in-law, me ask her if me and her friend. Because for my sister-in-law, you know, say, we friendship or sisterhood is strong, you understand? But she a push more, so me just left her over there and say, I got my
Me go through tired, me I tell you me tired. I see that me not going on good vibes. Go in and come. Hope me have push my phone.
No, take time with her.
No.
And that's a mommy grow you. You're not push woman, you're not lick woman, you're not
me not lick them, me push him, me
you're
not
not
lick him,
supposed to push him neither. You're supposed to can sit down and have a decent conversation.
But me tell him and he not learn, he go through this and come through this.
This time, you know, you're telling her this time, you're going to say, yo, tap post my business for status in her, this or that.
Yeah, that me tell him.
You see, you need to sit her down and talk to her properly. Say, yo, B, you know, saying something that for your status, I don't really like them.
I know when she post, be a negative thought about me.
Because you are
if me say something to her, no, if me tell her go wash her dirty clothes, she a go post that on her status. Like well, man say, boy, my boyfriend say, go wash me dirty clothes that. No, say word, man. Me say wash your dirty clothes, you tap post on status.
I don't know if you say.
Sure.
I go over there and talk to her and she said nothing wrong, no good. I mean, no say no good. But
yeah, I'm going to shop because right now my brain not there.
So you not call look for mommy?
Tell mommy say she see me when she see me, and me see her when me see her.
So give me $1,000 no brother?
Me not no money, girl.
Not to cut the stress for me.
Sorry, go on.
What's the me lick? Hey.
Yeah.
No man can cook for them. A bat.
Where you come from? I'm going to tell you about the style.
What style?
That way you do. I tell you if you come clean up your meat, you know I come clean up your meat. You ain't the pan for that show people's status like people's status can't feed you. Eh? Why I'm telling this status business?
I'm proud of you, you know. But me a video you know put up on my status, you know. You know I'm proud of you.
Yeah, you, but not everybody on your status. When you dip on the toilet, you have video and a post it. Eh?
Sometimes.
Brother, stop putting on your status.
So I can't chop up the chicken so like you're ignorant or something.
I'll break my vibe. Not to, you know, finish it.
So where you going so far? Me not like your style, brother. How kind of relationship this? Maybe do myself. All a good woman, we get up early in the morning and cut up meat and cook food for their man. Marika! Come now, girl, then I don't call me and tell me so you come already. So I still have to knock you go next to my house. Where say I going now? They look for you a better one. Then how me become a better one? Tell me, how me become a better one? Eh? I know I call you over here to talk to you. Talking about me, girl. No, girl, Tia. So why you asking about your face? You take too long to tell me. You tell me. Talk to me now, man. A crime to be loyal. If a crime to be loyal, I never hear somebody go prison or jail to be loyal. So where did that come from? Like you do everything in a relationship just to make your partner happy. You try your best to not cheat. You do everything you know you can do and something, but yet problems still be there. problem ever they do and you always feel like you are a bad one. And because me being truthful, I just put things on my status. You know, but I don't know if me I do something wrong. So, wait there. What happened right now? The man is saying a lot. What explain to me, cause me not understand when me I said to you. It's like he have a problem with everything when me do. Me not cheat, me not go to a party, me not, you know, me not do certain things. You understand? But yet, when me post things for my status, he have a problem. Girl, me not see nothing wrong with that. Then that you really call me over here for Anna ask about loyal. Yeah. Girl, nothing wrong with that. Post what you want post. All when you brush your teeth, if you want post, you post as long as your teeth don't rotten. Guess what? Enough of that too. If food where you have a cooking day. You not done yet? Eh? Yeah, you done cook already, smell it. Smell what? I your status me tune into and see you cook over here. And me did you think I should call me make me hurry up and come? I hungry, me hungry. Say that not here, yard. Hello. Me see that the nice food that when me see you they prepare. All when me have sitting on my yard of your food me want. If you tell the truth, you done, you know. Where say? It done. It could have never done. I look at it at 2 hours, you know, at 4 hours, I did a cook fast and I'm not there for you. You should have texted me, you should have tuned in for the army status and say, I want some buy food. But you never tuned in. I'm surprised you come over here. When I dey on my way, I see you call me. I say, come here, smell the rat, so I come. Surprise me for my food. But because you not see you. You know what I want you post next? All if you win $1 million. That I want you post. Posty. Don't stop post. Girl, proud of where you post. What's wrong with you? Eh? We are doubt yourself, girl. You're not confident. I'm not confident in myself. Girl, no make no man make you tap the way you want to do. If you want post, you post. Simple. But anyways, I had to go take my leave because you said the food done. Yeah, done, man, later. You sure say done? Me can go check. Jesus. Eh? Me say if I have a little rice and gravy. Anyways. No rice and gravy. Hey, don't touch me. No rice and gravy around the later. Me and you will chat. You know if we think go already. Yeah, Zin? Just cold some. Like then just. You're there, man.
So I gone.
Jaja, what?
Me dey here, all of a sudden me dey here I do some writing for this year. And all it just come out and now come and back now nothing.
Maybe you want to fix.
I don't know.
But maybe ask you something. You ever wonder you can go for your phone and see what your sister love us?
Why?
If him a wash panty, him a video it posing. Me not see him pose no video yet as sexing. But if him a cook, him a posing. If him a go down the road, him a posing. Me don't know what else to say. You ever see it?
Me see them all well, even other day, me a pass. We go to the shop and I buy one juice.
Yeah.
And me see my brother tip like a madman, you know, I've living mad. When me tap him and ask him what happened to him, say girl out to mad him. He said anything he said to the girl post it and he don't like it. So before that, before me see my brother in the shop, me come over here and come talk to her about it. Cause me and her are friends. I said, "True, my sister Ella." Me think say yeah, we cool, but we're not cool cause me sit down and ask her if me and her are friends and she leave. I say no, she just left her. And me feel that way about it, so me just step out. Understand? She say, nothing no do her, even though you know me know something do her. Why she posting something there? My brother say, that's what she see, anything she do, she post. So, me can't stop it, you can't stop it, not even my brother can't stop it, I will go stop it.
Your brother start beat her yet?
No, my brother not beat him. My brother not the type of man there. No.
So why she a post on her status, it look like a beat him and a beat her over there, or she a try hide something, or try let me know something, but And that me think I beat him and I beat him over there, you know.
No. I'm telling you something. Even if my brother beat him, or if my brother near to beat him, or if me hear saying beat him, or abuse him or something, that's a different story, you understand?
Yes, but anybody would have thinks I beat him over the cause. 2 hours when she post on her status, anybody could have think that.
Listen me.
You understand?
That's none of my business, you understand? My business is right here. So, and you know, fun thing about it, where my business, because I go over the other day and I try comfort her or something, and she shame me like a dog, so me and her done.
Wait.
My business there, so.
Awa. Me a quick hands. But you know, Jimmy can't turn us some later.
So what kind of style is ya? Me never seen it, but you just can't turn up behind me. You didn't even clear a throat me. You say you come. You couldn't kill me, no?
I wanna do that chat me.
Me and your friend.
Anyway, I know that me come over here, boy. Come over here, Alia, to tell us I'm sorry. I'm sorry for when I come over here the other day, and you talk to me, me give you a bad energy. Me start off with a
Wait. Talk again.
Oh, God.
What you say?
But just come to tell us I'm sorry.
Marika, you sorry? I'm my phone. I forgot to look at the your status. Me I go for Alia, you go tell him sorry.
No put it on my status yet. I'm left for
Yeah. Marika, me tell us everything for you go on status. You come over here to apologize, right? And the same problem me you have make you. Me have to say you keep me out your house, you know, because me ask you a question. Your answer was so basically you cook me out of your house, you run me out. And then now you come back and tell me about how maybe you put it on your status later. Marika, you not learn.
if me don't put it on my status, me put it on my status. Ali about I'm gonna put it on my status.
You not learn. You know, so then some of the people will kill you. Because if you post your every move for your status, you go your bed, go into bed now. Tomorrow you go serve in a few. Just reach back from serve. White House in a few. May I cook me the nail
Alright,
up.
Alia, you're not after them make you
Marika,
so
people
bad.
we know. Suppose somebody a plan to kill you and they go see your post serving a few. They know say you go serve, then go serve, go lay with you and do what they fi do. Marika, that not good.
Alright, Alia. Because I come over here and talk to you.
Marika, I'm not hearing you.
This,
You talk don't know one voice weird and so. And when they over there chat about your stuff, your voice the loud, Marika. So talk me hear you.
Alia, I don't do nobody nothing. If nobody want to kill me or attack me or whatsoever.
Let me ask you a question. You have to do somebody do something to you?
No, but I live good with people.
Me live good with people, Marika, and somebody here passes ask me to do a clean shoes now and bad man me feet and kill me for it. You don't have to do nobody nothing.
Alia, you know, I don't see sense when I come over here. This not make no sense to me. You know what? Later, because I don't understand your nonsense.
Yeah, you need to understand yourself before you can understand somebody.
Remember your business.
How you are next one?
Fancy up, girl. Where are they so?
I don't see a Pinky going to check for the national area.
Yeah, man, take care of.
A long time I don't see you.
I read that, listen. It's been a while, too long. Eh? So you do? What you do?
I'm good at everything.
I want my lad cheese out. You come from
School.
from far, you know. You can good too. Cheese out. Life a treat good.
You look good at all these things.
I tell you, yo, Ira, put the number on your phone, man. And think I'm going to text you and you'll save mine.
Yeah, man.
So we can, you know what I mean?
That's my number there.
See, so I call you now. And you can save it.
Yeah, man, just ring off the phone. Yeah, me get it.
You get it?
Yeah,
Alright, see it there. See it
saving.
there. Yeah, so as I said me there, I just go and take my time and shoot through. The thing, put in some work and so forth. So it's at your style or you plan to go out. You go for a date or something.
Oh, that's only a business.
Yeah, I always have something about you. But seriously, I want date to go for now.
What you want me to
But
do?
just curious.
No.
For me, I feel things here for them time then.
No.
From them
But
time to this or to the, I mean,
no, me just do me ear because, girl have to look good and
all these things. Alright. But you have a boyfriend? Seriously, like,
Yeah, me have a boyfriend.
you live with him?
Yeah.
I treat you good.
What wrong with you?
Just like,
You don't have a girlfriend.
but just like come back up to speed, if you know what's going on in your life and so forth. Because you know, so we are good friends, right?
You know that.
You know that,
So you
man.
don't have a girlfriend?
Yeah, Pinky, I mean.
Oh,
Pinky.
you're Pinky then?
Yeah, man, Pinky, I'm a girl. But to be honest, trust me, sometimes she make me feel like I can't talk to nobody at all.
That's not right.
Yeah, like we with people like this that have fun. Like right now, I have wonder. But guess what? No, I think I'm in a back there, so you can go and check her and things. I'll link you, You know what I mean? So we'll talk definitely. Alright?
Dirty dog.
Pinky!
Dirty dog, let's shit up here. So go then, dog.
What the dog do today?
Me just fling you over there, so. Hey, what go on?
Yeah. I'm here more if you do,
You here?
Mm-hmm. But I can't do it.
Me no know, me not sure.
What do you mean I don't know you're not sure?
Alright, next week, girl. Next week, Thursday.
No, girl, you're mad. Next week too long. I want to do this week.
Alright then.
This week when?
Thursday.
So where you going so far?
Girl, how me a go on?
Yeah, give
Me
me
can't talk again. Me can't talk out of my good mouth. How me a go on?
Alright, next week Thursday me see you, yeah? Thursday me see you. When me I say next week? I should say next week.
Oh,
Thursday.
yeah.
What
Alright.
time?
Come 10 o'clock.
Alright, 10 o'clock Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Alright, later.
Later. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, that's fine. Public later.
Alright, girl. Yeah.
Hey. You know the one that is up here. When you and she have get up, me and talk to you. Get up.
Pinky, alright. What really are going on? Wait, I see you come out with this. You a cricketer? Yeah? You a cricketer?
Me and talk to you now.
When me see you talk to me?
Get up, me and talk.
No. Come soon.
When you and she have.
Come soon, as I would have to say.
Answer the question. When you and she
Let
have.
me say what me and she have. What I'm to you? You always a create one vibe over something you know. Babe, but think we pass the stage already, you know. The jealousy stage I make you feel like say me involved certain way where I'm just me and you alone. Don't give me that look there. Don't give me that. Pinky, don't give me that look there. You know me? Me not understand.
What kind of dealings you and she in?
Alright. Me know a long time. You know, remember one girl who used to talk about say you
Shut up. Shut up, because you see Eliza just say all over your face. Me did I cut my ears and listen to everything on I say.
What mean cock your ears? What you talk about?
Hey.
So you peep on me? You think you see you inside I cook some food? You just have peep on me all this time? Eh?
Ask you one question. Everything what me I do for you, I fi invest in another woman.
Invest now? What you talk about? Me not understand how invest and other woman come in this situation. Me and this and we are bill. You do you look at it as a shop. Me help you forget two hair dryer and thing. The best of the best. Babe, warm to your man, quit the foolishness now.
No. Hold on. My money I for you though.
Yeah.
And your money I for me though.
Yeah. So what? Nothing wrong with that.
So what is for?
What is this?
And me knows you cheat for me.
Me not cheat. Come on, babe.
So I want me see. I want me hear.
We here. Me and she a good friend a long time from way back. I'm just said to her, I say, give me a number because guess what? Me can link up and get some work. I'm a construction thing as well, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Far may I come from though.
And what change that from say how far we are come from?
Nothing no change. Me no change, but you come like say you want change.
Listen to me.
So talk to me.
Alright, hear me I tell you. Me appreciate say you jealous over me. But me appreciate say you come out here with button. Like say me want ball, you go beat or something. You know how it feel if you know sit down and have your woman a walk around now and button if you come beat you. Beat me for what?
No, I should have bust your head.
Bust
I
me for what?
should have come out with and trim
You see
me.
the anger thing with yo. And you know, so when talk to your mother about the anger thing, you know, I tell her, say, she need to talk to you, you know, because you try to bring up one character out of me what is not there. I mean, I want to be so aggressive. I like a tone neither.
No, send me grandmother's. Send me grandmother's. But you tell my mother to talk to me. Send me grandmother's.
What do you mean send grandmother's? I can't stop. I can't have a woman sing and reason with. Every time me say hi to somebody, you feel like me and them, me a jumping in them panty or something.
Cause you're liar.
What mean say me a liar? Your voice a echo around the place.
You're liar.
People are supposed to hear your voice right here, so. What everybody know what go on, eh? This is not something what we're supposed to entertain. This is a negative energy towards the relationship. I'm a bill, no? You know what?
Alright.
You know what go happen? You push me for left a place, you know, Pinky. You push me for left out your place, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Hold on there.
What do you mean say hold on there?
Hold
You
on.
push me for just tell us, alright, I eat that, you know.
Hold on there. Hold on for you.
Let me say what hold on for me.
Hold on for
When
you.
you are, alright.
Hold on for you.
The last time
But-
when we go and you run come you had a ball and I say you make a big mistake. You remember that?
Who they ball?
You remember
tears
that?
of joy.
Tears of his joy. So
Tears of joy.
so
We never
you-
did a ball over you.
So you left your yard, come on my yard, come back, tears of joy over me. No, not over me. That you say, come on, man. Wake up and smell the coffee. And then when we come in the room and make you round one, you say, nah, left out of the house here. You say, where me I go? What me want? I'm going to tell you something else, want peace. You don't remember? Oh, your brains. Oh, you don't remember? Oh. I say you go. Let me tell you this, man. Is that you want me and me want you, or you just want me to go on or what?
No, me want you, but you don't want me.
What do you mean say me don't want so?
You don't want me, cause you could have never under me nose and then them something. What kind of style that?
You know, so every time you say me I do something, I best alright. You see, people like you push people who now do nothing to do something, you know, because when I push them and tell them so them and do it. And then guess what? No, it gonna happen. Because thoughts attract that upon which it is directed. And if you keep on telling thought negative out of me, you know, ruin me aura, what do you think will happen?
Alright, let me tell you something. Carry one of your friend them come here.
Which friend? Me not no friend.
Any friend
Me
where
not no friend.
any man friend
I'm
where
the
you have.
brethren them.
Carry brethren come right as of tomorrow. Yes, when I carry him come,
What go?
more you there on one corner and listen to female and film conversation. Because me go look him right under your nose. So two can play that game.
So that you say.
Nonsense.
That you say. Try, you know. You know what? Me not gonna make you get me out, you know. Know that.
Boy!
So I want to happen to you, how you going to?
Oh,
Your energy just low and you do me head haggish like me near my white fall or something. What will trouble you?
Girl, I told me not like telling people in business, you know, because anytime I tell people in business, then take you and chat me.
What do you mean by stop for a little second now? What do you mean by?
Girl, you want Marika she. For some reason, my spirit can't take the girl there.
Which Marika? My brother woman?
Yes.
What do you mean by spirit can't be
She don't know, say. She come on my yard.
Mm-hmm.
Say she want me to do her hair.
Mm-hmm.
And I do run around look corner.
Mm-hmm.
And listen to the conversation of she and my man they have. The girl a take me man under my nose. You can't look for me.
So hold on there, stop. Marika could have never take your man because Marika did my brother.
I saw you feel. The girl look me man under my nose.
Why?
And if this as bad too. Like most me lick him in the head and Brad piece of board.
I'm turn on to you, you know. basically what you try to say, America come in your yard and come in your yard to do her head and look your man.
Yes. First she ball out my name and me hear her but me never want to answer. And she stopped to me man and start shut off her mouth out there. You want to hear the man that tell her about how she look good and she a spin her roll. Yes, me look good.
And what you do?
Remember what me do? I just stay so. And just a listen.
I don't do nothing at all. Just listen so.
Girl, you can't just rush the thing so. And as I see something, you rush to it. Anyways.
And my brother woman in a butt. They say she a cheat on my brother. Hi.
No good about
So I
her.
have to go see my brother and ask my brother if my America they are workers. Probably my brother left for me no know or something.
Girl,
Something in a something.
You're more you feel a long time me your friend. Keep one eye on her.
If you watch America.
Yeah? Keep one eye on her. Cause it not go nice, you know. It not go nice.
So what me ask you a question? If you can from over here, so watch America. You come from America live for me.
You know what? You don't have to
Me and her not too friendly there, you know. Because the other day, me go over there and one piece of something with me and her in her house, you know. And she tell me, me ask her a question if me and her friend. The girl goes,
girl, give me 2 cigarettes.
what's and all of that. Me have to say, me just walk out and then she come and try to apologize and it never work out so well.
Me say, Alia,
So me and
can't
her not
believe.
too friendly.
So the girl take me man under me nose. What can go so? What can really go so?
I don't know what to say. I swear to God, I don't know what to say.
You know what? Later, girl.
Where you go? I feel not done me here. Girl! I didn't tell you we don't get no money.
Marika!
Hello? How that? What's wrong?
You want to here today?
Today?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, do me here today. You do it on my yard or what?
Yeah. Woman to woman. Where you my man in?
What you mean by when me and your man in? I don't understand that.
When I come on my yard, I did a listen to the conversation with one of them. And when me see a bus run, I go on like see something me I do all I tell the dogs if you go. No dog never did and no dog shit never did it. So, yeah, look, my man.
Pinky, you're mad? Something wrong with you?
You never know.
You're crazy?
Me sick.
Me and public I come from far, long before you and public day. If me did want public, mother did public. You understand?
You say?
Me and public go to school together. We are friends.
If you want him.
So why you come up in my face?
No, what you say? If you want him.
This can't be serious. What do you lady?
I mean by what do you mean? Don't tell us I'm sick.
If me did want your man, me could have your man. And that me I tell you.
So take him now, no?
I don't want him.
Take him now. Because you say if you want him, you could have him long time. So me I tell us if you take him now.
I don't want your man. I live a house with my man. I love my man. I'm loyal to my man.
You love my man?
Of course.
So you give me my number?
So what? If me give him number? Nothing wrong with that. What wrong with that? Or you go out there and see other man and give them your number?
You're brighty, girl. You're brighty. When you take fear and see me, give your next man my number.
Uno woman was like uno innocent and uno a bad one. Uno. That's a come at me hard for? I really this a come at me hard for, Pinky?
Girl.
I can't believe you.
Leave my man alone.
I know why you man.
I don't want you again. Leave my man alone.
You don't talk? Leave me yard.
Leave which yard?
Come out of me yard.
You want to do something about it?
I don't have the strength for that.
You want to do something about it? Move me.
Leave me yard.
Move me. You're mad. This girl come like he's sick. And what you do? What you do?
Back up.
Hey girl, you're not done yet.
What
Yeah.
girl?
It's done.
Bob! Bob!
Hmm?
And what you there for? And what kind of man you be? Eh?
Tell
Girl,
them
come
something,
here to beat me and you're there in a house, Bob, and you're not even gonna come out there to help me. Eh?
I in a bathroom I come from.
What you do about room?
But people do a bathroom, me there the bathroom. Nobody
So
not
you're
there.
not-
You want nobody not there.
Oh, what did
Oh
them
yeah, you
bad
do
man,
see the
you
people
man?
so.
You're nice when I saw a while
What
ago.
nice?
It's alright. It's alright, Bob. Me don't know what kind of man you be. Me
Yeah.
sit down here loyal to you and come like say you are a woman and me are the man. But now worry yourself.
I know me not like FaceTime, you know. Me I come here and go road to drink.
Go on.
I go have a drink. I'll soon come back.
Now come back. Feel like years.
So you couldn't buy me a drink? Eh?
And where you are doing yourself?
What do you mean you do that?
You don't understand it.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand you. You make it sound like some intro and everything. You must say you come from far, you know.
You mean by that? Your woman now come at me yard today to beat me face and me in a dealing. What kind of style that?
Someone come here, you have to beat her. You got to talk about.
What you say joke me and me?
Of course I must joke you, make.
I no joke me and me.
And that's why I see you post my status about people and watch out and don't trust people and them something.
Yeah. What you think would I post there something there?
So, hold on. So what you tell me, say? You afraid of me, woman? I'm not afraid of her, you know? Because she can't do me nothing, and she can't do nothing if we say do something.
What do you mean do something? We don't do nothing.
You mean say we not do nothing? So, remember say me and most of the only reason why me never get fit, you know, I become and go a foreign. I mean, listen, man. I really want it to happen again.
I'm sorry for the time the pass.
Talk to me. So, me can't.
The time the pass and
Marika, say you deal with me.
that was then.
What me say that was then? You see people like you, I true me never want to do things back then, you know. And see you create this vibe, I know, and I protect you always. Me always I protect you.
This is the thing.
You know how much man we want come running for you? Eh? Much man want say boy them have to do this and do that and because my name is nothing no go on. And so you treat me? You can't give me alright, so I could just do it one time then.
No.
Just one time.
None at all.
None at all.
None at all. We not doing nothing.
What do you mean say we not nothing? Like
Hello, me not make nobody come at me yard come beat me because I you know.
what mean say come beat you? Afraid of woman?
Probably me and not do nothing. No, we not go back there so.
I don't understand why you
You
make it
have
sound
your
so.
woman, stick with
Mad
the
woman.
woman.
She's
Me
a-
have my man, me stick with
So
the
now you want make alright, let's go again. And how me know these things? You say your man now give you no attention. You say it with your fingerprint, which is from your phone. See that? Who are calling now?
I'm a best friend, I call me.
Which best friend? How much best friend you have? So you still have best. You see people like you, but best friend.
How do you?
Best friend what? With benefit? Eh?
No.
What do you mean so no?
You're still jealous over me?
Oh, you mean so you say me not get through yet? So you say I go on.
Not now, one.
Really and truly, that's you take it and that's it.
Yes.
You see? Alright, what you said, man? Me gonna release the dogs then. Because guess you know, me, you understand, say me I protect you. There's some place where you walk and some things you talk. You understand, the problem you put yourself in.
You're lucky.
Me lucky.
Go on
That's
by
it.
your business. I don't know how you reach out. Go on. Me know why your woman a pass her to me and you know.
That you say?
Yeah. Because of you, your woman now bother do me here.
Because of me?
Yeah. Can your man feel say me come in here and look to you? What more than do with you? Public.
What mean say what you do with me? So she almost beat you? Huh?
Yes, big fight almost happened from me yard. I chop me off a chucker and lock me door.
The dogs them release, that's all me I tell you. See you?
Remember your business.
You see you? You go and post playing status. You see like how
My
me know way.
status.
You see like how me know way there. Eh? I mean, I don't know who is a your phone. Just watch. One day, man, you gonna meet up on you. Yeah? So go on your thing. Delete my number to your phone. That me I tell you. What?
Me not save in the first place.
What you mean say you save it? So how me see your status? How me see your status if you don't save? You tell me for idiot. If you don't save a person number in your phone, you can't see them. So don't go and use the head. You see, I try to style use the head for me.
Alright, me
that's your problem.
Me block you.
I don't block me. Delete me.
Me block you. No, me block you first and then delete.
Me release the data. Remember I said that me tell you.
Go ahead, girl and boy your business. 30 foot rasta boy. Water harder. Come. Come now. Come take you.
What make you a friend of me so?
You're frightened. Are you frightened?
Why you take so long to reach?
I'm just going to drop off some goods a while ago. What happened?
Supermarket must lock.
Listen, I have to go deal with my deal first because I just have a little thing to sort out. You know, my brethren, them stay ready. Them love to know say boy, I make myself present and active. It's not a case where me can just say boy, alright, me run up and down. Me and they together, you know, and me and go nowhere. And it's not like me don't love you. And it's not like say you know me only. You understand me I say? And the more you stop the foolishness where you feel say me you know, jealous and stop jealous about fool people. People don't exist that important. No more. You understand me I say? Yes, no more. Because back then I'm a bridge that music check for you and rate it, but that's it. So you can't make stupid things and situation match up with beautiful flowers that we can grow. So we can bear fruit. What you say?
I am sad.
Sad for what? What's sad new? You better answer.
You know, treat me good and it'll get to me now because me even go up our yard a while ago. To fight her. Like big something just happened. Me just go up America yard to fight her.
So how she, you know, just come and fix you and you feel that me not treat her good? You realize you judge me for the wrong thing them? Stop that, man. You hear me say to you?
Something I go on and I go find out. Yeah.
What mean something I go on and go find out? That don't sound good.
Something I go on between the two of you know.
Yeah, yo.
And I go find
out. You
out.
supermarket before time get out of control now? You go ready? Oi, me don't want to walk with an attitude. So put a smile on your face. Me not say put an iron smile on your face, me say put a real one. Watch ya. I'll give you 5 more thousand. Bomba! I'm on 8. Alright, come here.
I think you never did I come back.
No?
I think you never did I come back.
So I must come back now here, me live.
Come here, sir. I want to talk to you. What kind of relationship we really in for true? Because I don't understand.
What do you mean what kind of relationship with me?
Look how far we are come from, Bob. You think yesterday we are friends till we get involved, till we leave our house. I don't understand how we reach yes right now.
Well, when I go on the walk, we don't know still at me, I look on it and I say, once you reach far, bro. You know? But I just certain things, you know, sometimes I'm just tired.
Tired of what?
Yeah, I look at certain things and I really like, I want a big deal, but, you know, sometimes I just want to relax. You know, and you know, nice, no, you know.
I don't understand now. What kind of lies? What make lies in your head?
No, I mean like when I'm ready, when we say something to me, I'm going to say something to you and then I talk like nice. And nice that same way. You understand what I mean? But me, I look at it and me, I walk down with them and say, I don't say how far. You know, but I just certain thing me not like.
I understand what you're saying now. But me, I go through a lot. I'm gonna have nobody to talk to. You, when we did that, you did my best friend. I could have called for you anytime, plus you're my boyfriend. No, me not have you again like that. You're the way over, so me the way over, so we're the far from each other, like we not connect again or something. Saying this is saying that. We need to do better in our relationship.
Well, that's true. You say, you're not nobody to talk to. It's any good thing you want to talk about? Talk about it now. So tell me what I want today. You.
I really want to know what going to do.
Yeah, tell me more. I know that's what I ask.
Well, yesterday, day before yesterday, I go up a Pinky. I said to her, when I go in her yard, I said, Pinky, I see her man sit down on a chair. But anyway, he take my number.
Yo, I don't like that you just can't be one that but I'm saying.
Anyway, he take my number. So I just walk going and I said to Pinky, I said to her, I said, Pinky, mom, I'm here for you. She said, she did that give me attitude, but I never know where attitude that come from or nothing, you understand? So I said, alright then, Thursday, which is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today Pinky come here, she knocked my door. When I go out there, she said to me, say, you want to hear from me today? So I said, yeah, Camille, feel excited. After that, she go say, by the way, where you have my man in her? So I said, what you mean, when me and your man in her? Me and your man in her, nothing. I'm a friend from school days and something. He girl will fight me, chop me. So I chuck her back and lock the door and come in. So that's why I did I get mad at you. Since evening, like go down your road, forgot have a drink. And the man miss pop up.
Pinky man.
Yeah, Pinky man.
Sure.
I tell me say he want me.
Want you?
Yes. Something and the man will threaten me.
Threaten my woman, threaten you?
My babe, I'm back there heavy, man.
I'm if you tell you. But that's how we have to prepare. So when you have a little baby in the picture, yeah. Because we have to buy one bag of groceries, you know, if you start with like
So, get it easy. Yo, tell me something. You're not pregnant? Huh? Come here, talk about baby. You're pregnant?
yeah, but me never want to tell
You what?
you. I'm pregnant, but me never want to tell
So,
you. Me never ready for tell you yet. So I baby make me so emotional.
me excited still. Don't get me wrong, but you just that me never know, say. But I feel me.
But you're not, what you say?
No, me I say me know, say I feel me.
Oh, but you're not move like
No, man, me happy,
you're
man. Me
overjoyed.
happy, man. Oh, God, man. Me happy, baby. Me happy. It's just that if you have a baby, you know, it's a different.
Make sure.
Good night.
Have
So I just come and look up in my face.
Good night, brother. I can talk to you, please.
babe, I just want to talk to you, man.
Yeah, you can
You
talk
talk
to
to
her
her.
because I your sister and I like some me I worry about nothing.
Oh, go on, sis.
Brother, I really need to talk to you. Like, I don't even know how I feel about this, but may I see some things and partially hear some things, And it kinda there.
Sister, where you go around the bush, beat around the bush kind of situation?
It a play with my mind right now.
What is it?
Alright, let me get to the point.
Yes.
I see on America status
Mm.
where she say, you my brother, a threaten her. Or threaten her. Sorry, not a. Threaten her.
You see
How
my
you
name?
Yo, how you feel do something like that?
What me say? Threaten her? No. What? Hold on. So what you see on it then?
Eh?
What you see on it? What she say?
I
Because
don't
if
even remember.
because that I think, hold on. Well, she black me can't see none. Listen to me, man. Don't bother come with no fools because she can't talk something about somebody else. I don't mean want to have my name.
You, your name she call.
What she say? Public.
Public.
What she spell it with KRC?
K.
Oh, no, I don't remember. A mistake she make,
Look,
man.
look what she say. I know you don't know about.
She couldn't talk about anything. Yes, somebody had do a threat in a public. Whatever that she say?
Brother, me not like this. You can't go on and threaten
What you mean
people
threaten
like this.
Sister,
What she do?
Me and she have nothing. That's the first place.
So
Me
she
and
does.
she have nothing.
Alright, Marika is a girl when me tell her say when things happen, she
Mm.
posy. And me tell her say when it happen for true, and where gossip and you not chat foolishness.
I know what goes so that if you chat that truth. The truth I
No,
was come out
nobody
first.
put words in my
I
mouth,
put
man.
words in my mouth, I will come out. So you tell me say anything what she talk on status or something will happen for true.
Yes.
Well, me not have nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that, sister. And you see, you met my woman guy, you know, and I bet say she going, you know, she vex because she not like certain, you know what I mean? I know so she must have catch her
Come
ears
to
somewhere
think
listen.
about that. Come talk about that.
Talk about what?
Let me tell her this. Me don't know where you get that the woman there from too, you know.
What you mean?
Make it rest.
What you mean get the
Cause
woman
me
there?
don't want to throw me
Oh,
up
you
on
talk
me,
about woman. You come, sister, you come here, you come disrespect my woman. Yeah, man.
Me
Eh?
not
See, you have
disrespect
man.
her, you
Or
know.
because you can't find a man, where you come go on, so? Eh? You see people who can't find man, them complain about everybody else's relationship, find problem. Listen me I say, me no want you to have nothing negative to say about my pinky and my pinky. You understand me I say? You fi find for your blackie. And that if you go do.
She gonna bite off your ears.
Bite
So
off
don't
her
worry
ears.
yourself.
So you call me pinky dog? A dog you call him? You see, you have some disrespectful words on your tongue, you know, and that would you, me as a notice you. You take your time and create some sounds and the words them, and you have to listen and pay attention. Because you're disrespectful.
Me not see what me doing.
Let me see
Me
this
only
way
say
though.
she a go bite off her ears.
Bite
And
off of her
you tell
ears.
me say me a call her dog. Listen what me a say,
Right now,
brother.
me a plan to start a family with her. Because she just tell me say she miss something or sitting and go on. So you
I
soon turn
overheard the
auntie.
conversation.
You in there, listen?
Let me ask you something now. You sure for your pitney?
Why
You sure you're a pitney?
you say that? Why my pinky is like any what?
Listen.
You think I want a dirty clot? You want to rub up every shoe's bottom? Eh? What's the matter with you?
Pick up fear.
What mean to pick up? I must pick
You
up for
know
my
what
man.
yourself. And then that me come to you to talk to you boy now. Are the threat where they send to my
Me not
friend.
send no threat to she. Me see her at one place and me just say hi, hello and move on.
And that's it.
And that's it.
And she just feel mad. She just go up on her phone and go up on status and say public this, that. Eh? So me as a friend, me fi carry her mad house then. She a mad.
Listen to me, I don't know what she feel inside, but me think it's a wrong text. Sometimes people can use words, you know, and just have this typing error. And I think that happen. Sister, go on your yard, yeah. Left me alone, yeah.
What you?
You can't bother this foolishness no more.
I disrespect you,
Me not disrespect you, but you disrespect
insult
me. No, but you tell me say no, me do something what me not do. And if me not do it, me not understand what you tell me say me do it. What you tell me say?
Me talk to you about America, you get defensive.
Maybe she mean it's defensive.
Me I talk to you about your woman, and still problem. So me have to talk to you then.
Me not say enough to talk to me then, but me say go on your yard.
So when you're ready to talk and tell me truth, you call me. Otherwise, don't call me phone.
No, call your phone.
It's alright.
Find a man. I'm making call your phone.
You subscribe yet?
No man then kill me man, I come down there tomorrow. I didn't tell about the young man, I got so much on the side, I don't want man. Okay. Good. Home to you, good. Don't talk myself. Man, I carry up your phone, girl. So, I have no such ammo.
You really not see me do me hair my fingernail?
Eh? Backside of the ear, too.
I'm here in the house.
Yeah.
No, I'm here and ghost in the house.
So, go on to me. I never really penetrate that. When I look on
Me and I touch your phone, you tell me say me crap up your phone. Me I show you my nails.
Oh, they look good, man. They look good.
Seriously? And what kind of man you be?
You say you show me your nails, them, and I say they look good. They look good. What more you want? Them look good.
So you never realize it all along?
No, you showed me a while ago.
And what's so important in your phone? Eh? Yeah, your woman there home. And you down in your phone?
Jesus Christ.
You not even realize your woman do nails and do her
You look
hair
at
or
me,
something.
me now watch your nails and what you do. If you do it, you do it. I feel your own good.
Seriously?
You not benefit me. You show me, you say if me not see it. And you show me and I see it and I say look nice. Some way you want.
No argument with this today.
Yeah, get the food, mommy. People just are going and waste with food. Me understand. You can't get the food up along there and wait. Man. Watch out.
Wait, what go on? Auntie Shirley. Real man. Say I go on the out. Thing good.
I'm there, watch you know what you are going still.
Yeah,
So what now?
See up on the corner, you say, what you doing, you say? La Petersfield side I come from.
Yeah.
I want to. So you are the boy, you say. Ah, scholars.
Yo, Benji, here I go on, Benji. Me know say y'all are going. See? And a food I come.
I want food and food come by us, but I don't know that I come see us still. I don't know what I say.
Me a piece of food I come by.
How much I say that?
Everything with Benji, a far I come from. See?
Carry no one, brother.
But I read the mind. Me I read the energy. I energy my father right now is like say,
The prison I come from.
brother,
I must have a money, man. A money more right now, is it?
brother, the school man.
Broke down.
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna come from jail. Everybody else is gonna come from fire.
No, that's what I say.
Why you check me like this?
Eh? I tell you something broke down, brother.
I just broke me. I mean, understand what you right here, bro. Me know say that money, no. You know, you have a sense.
So watch on, man.
Yeah,
I know you don't want nobody to know say prison fraud from you.
so that, bro, say
No, but you have to pay for that. See me? I mean,
Benji, the school, man, all the things flying, man.
I mean the school, man. I see
Brother,
me
me help
can't.
you out during tough times as well, bro.
I need more food, brother.
Yeah, get a food for food you want, but so
I
what?
buy a food, no, man. I want a 10 grand in my pocket, brother.
Jesus Christ, Benji, this really take it, bro.
I mean, man, no remember say, Remember, say, mama don't know that, you know. And me and you know that, you know. So I go and say, buy your food, man, and give me a 10 grand in pocket, man. Because I know that at least, you know, want you.
Alright, so let me do that right
Do
now.
eat that, man, and you say, man. Nah, man, settings, man. Come see, man.
Alright, Benji.
Do you the fast, man, because I know
Alright,
someone on the road, man.
make one more food there for Benji.
Like on time, mama. Like, breast.
Benji.
I want to blend the juice them too, mama. One of the carrot juice. You hear me? She hear me?
Come on, share, man. She's not responsive.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican people say.
Carrot juice, man. I
You
drink.
know, in a restaurant, I'm going. If you woman who run a restaurant, taste the food taste good.
So you say. I'm have to make a fast move now. See it?
Man, Benji, easy at time.
No, say no easy. Remember, you don't know anyone. Nobody don't know that, you know. But me alone know what's going on, you know. See it? Give me it down, so I don't have to make nobody know what's going on, brother. Respect.
Benji, this no Benji. Attend, man. Attend that.
I attend this. Yo, give me some more points.
Attend that, man. That's cool. Benji, just eat them, man.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, I said nothing. I call it a fool. I don't know. You're really out in them, man.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
mind them.
Yeah, right. Cool.
Everything good, man.
Yeah, man.
Cheer up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
Everything good, man. Auntie, send me here now. Carrot juice button, no boy.
You get you. I'll get you, man.
Take one panito.
You take one pan for me, Bill.
So how bill? So yeah, I carry them back then and change the deal.
Yeah, man. Everything good. Go and get it. Respect, man. Yes, sir.
You know, I respect every time.
What make you excited?
Not the pregnancy.
Oh.
Involved now, me I talk about.
Alright. What me really have to know is that we have to take it slow and think. I get too overexcited because I know me carry a doctor to check up and see if baby really did it and sitting. But you ain't checked it before? You ain't take a test?
Yeah, me do it test.
And you not show me? See there. You do test and not show me?
Remember me tell her say, me dey wait for tell her, right? Me never want.
I want Virgin saying you want to come link me, but I don't understand. But yeah, go and talk, babe. Listen.
Remember me tell her say, me never ready for tell her say I'm pregnant in them the time day. Right? So
What me I say is that you sure you're pregnant? Because me don't understand say. Alright, me really and truly, me don't hurt your feelings. Just want to confirm certain things. That's all me I say. But it make sense, yeah, rush up and down and get excited because you know what I mean, I wasn't sure about nothing yet. Me
me
not
sure
sure.
I'm pregnant. But me tell her something.
Mm.
Other day you lick one face for me, you know. Where you say if I fear baby and you turn it back around and say, me happy, don't play with me, you know. Don't play with me. Cause you ever see me and know next man yet?
No,
You
me
ever
not
take
say.
care and see that? You ever hear after that? And anybody will chat me. Tell them if you come, hey, you see me in a good mood today. But here we go on. You say me not to get too excited. And me have to get excited because I'm my first child, right? So what you want me to do? Sit down and sad and hold on my face so.
I never said that.
Emotional every time.
Me see you here and me appreciate that and me, you know, like me like you step up where you make, but just calm down.
Good.
You know what
I
I mean?
see pink, right?
Yeah.
I see pink dress, right?
Yeah.
So what that mean?
That means
A girl me a vote for.
oh girl you go for. Well man love boy for well if a girl, but me not prefer. You know what I mean, boy, but you know, it is what it is. Me can't send it back. But me, why you go check my girl now? Why you go check Marika? People them say you go down a yard and knock off him door, want kick him down. Why you do that?
I kick down there and say,
Yeah, but why you do that?
that you worry about.
What you mean something I worry about?
The girl want me man and me see and me know. And you can't tell me nothing.
Babe, listen to me. The girl is a long time friend and you don't have to worry about her anymore right now. Cause me and she know nothing at all and care in nothing. You understand what I say? And me no want it. If you say me want nobody but you, understand that the man and make things just run and flow free.
Well, anyways, enough about she, cause when she me I talk about right now, cause like you're obsessed with that girl, you know. And don't play with me, and don't play with me. Anyways, hear me I talk about now. You have to go buy up some things put in the fridge for me, you know. Like shrimp, milk, and then something that will make go feel for you have to go put in the fridge. Cause you know, if baby come in, you know, so me I go feel for this, me I go feel for that. So yeah. What happened to you?
No, I mean as I say, it's like you me taste and really rush things and rush things. And that you do right now.
You have one pitney out there?
You mean say me not pitney out there. What you talk about?
Say first, pitney this I get though.
Yeah.
So happy, be happy.
Me happy.
Be happy.
But me just not understand why you alright. You see me see on the paper, say everything I go through, then me happy. You
When
understand?
I ready. You want to go tomorrow?
Yeah, can I go tomorrow?
You want to go tomorrow?
Yeah, can I go tomorrow?
So if you cut this a conversation and talk about America. Alright, let's talk about America.
No.
Let's talk about your side girl.
No, me not talk about
Let's talk about it.
Me talk about the facts, I'm hungry. Me up on the road a while ago. Me forgot buy one food and me not end up buy food because one brethren, one long time, me know, brethren can link me and me just left off a spot. Because me have a certain amount of money for me and the money get used up because I pay one bill. See if you can sit there, go start on the food.
So since as all you there for America case,
Jesus
why you
and
never
Titimus.
stop America yard and get something to eat?
For what?
Can you come and come ask about why me go at the girl yard? Why me kick down the girl door? Where you get them the story there from?
From alright, you hear me I say. Let's make it rest this.
Sorry.
See if you can start or something, please. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah. One pot nuclear want.
Pot noodle?
A joke food.
Pinky! Where's soup there?
Wait, what you dealing? Yeah, no star, you say that.
Brother, where you there, sir?
I pass through. Me no say you say that.
Yo.
Your ends this.
Alright, come on.
Where you say I go on? Me no say your ends this man.
Where you there, sir, bro?
What? Me walk on the road there. You see the road there lead to the one there up there, sir? Around the side of my auntie living.
Alright, you walk on.
So I just feel like take a next route in there.
Alright,
And then automatically me just steer yourself.
So,
You understand?
where you there, sir, now? Or one?
What me do, sir? You know, say, the little thing where you give me. Run out, me even know I run out so fast, brother. You see me? So me I say, one little investment, me say one little investment to make.
Investment?
Yeah.
So how me come in that?
So me can flip and put in the money and make a money, you understand?
So how me become a part of your investment? Me I gain from it?
No, not really, you know, but me I say, you don't know. You lady in there?
Boy, that's your guy now.
No, not really, but I don't know.
You may
Just
say.
20 grand me I look this time after the lady, man.
Hold on, so every time when your money run, they come on my yard. That's what you try to tell me.
No, general, you
Brother,
say,
listen to me, man. That's because, yo, I saw.
Brother, listen to me. Listen to me now. And you remember you're not a big talking of this. Me say if a lady in there.
Yeah, she in there. She is. Alright, what you want, bro? What you
Brother,
want? 20 grand?
20.
Alright, I me come link you. Next week.
Next week.
And
no more want the money,
it
brother.
can't happen now.
What you mean can't happen now, brother? Me say, yo, listen to me now, man. Just do it the fast and quick car. You make me all a walk way around the place like.
Alright, come
Like-
on, sir.
We don't need to come up. So come down and say,
No,
brother.
brother, school, man. Yo, I mean, really want to
Come
hear
down and say,
business.
brother.
Just listen to me,
Go and do
man.
the thing and fall.
Alright, you
Alright,
know,
that's a better man.
just listen to me, sir. I have money
Yeah,
for me.
what you
I
say?
have money for me.
What you
Me have
say?
money for
Brother,
me. I have
no.
money for me. I have money for me.
Oh, you have the money?
Yeah, I have money for me.
Do what you do now, man.
Alright, so it's alright, so 20 grand now. Me no want to see back as.
You don't have to see me back here, sir.
And me I say me no want to see back as meaning say me no want to see back.
Brother, you don't have to see me back
Cause
here.
you know, it's because you know say me no want me woman and people know say
But we
a
are
jail
talking
me
about,
will go.
listen now.
And me never go a foreign and you alone know because I feel link me get it from yo brother, you can't deal that black man so brother. You can't deal with the
next time you
situation
go
so.
to jail, you keep your mouth. You talk too much. Next time you go in a jail cell, you don't tell nobody nothing. So do what you do, make me move from yourself.
Alright, so it's at 20 grand.
Yeah.
See? We now see back as again, right?
You don't see me back here, sir, man. Manners and respect. I check this up a shot in the car.
Yeah, babe. Me I come.
It's another forward, man.
Yeah, man. Go on, pick up yourself.
So, yo, you're really out enough.
Yeah, man. No, me see back as again. See, sir? Pick up yourself.
Big up yourself. Me I go back, sir.
Yeah, man, go on.
See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, me tell you, man. Yeah.
Who the brother there?
How about him, man? I want a long last virgin, man. Kind of, you know. You see my foreign and so forth. You must see me there foreign.
So every time he just a come and say, I want.
Nah, man, first time you see man, taps about me, come. Nah, man, we are taboo. You alright though, babe? Thank you for the soup, but it's soup hot. Me feel just make the soup cool off. Alright, you want to go on? You see? I think we need to take a break from the place.
Yeah.
You understand? Where do you think we go up here? Go up a country, like a bit cool out. You want to do that?
No, you're talking.
Yeah, because more you know, inhale fresh air for your baby. More you know what I mean? The tongue, you pass smoke with it, the exhaust and the bike and the this and the that. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
And more you know, just relax yourself. Alright, babe?
Alright, so.
So I go and drink the soup and thing. You say make soup for yourself? I don't want soup.
I don't feel for that. He baby no want that day.
So your baby if you know what you want and baby not even. And not even 1 week old baby in your
Don't do
belly.
that. You don't know that. You don't know that.
So you tell me say past 3 months?
Me never say past 3 months.
So what you say then?
It can be 1 month. And me never know. Till other day me find out. The baby no feel for no soup. Drink your ramen.
You go drink with ramen.
I go lay down here.
You go and lay down. Go lay down. You don't feel say you're pregnant.
Marika.
Whoa, murder.
Hey. Me don't come for this today. I'm not this me combo.
Where you coming from?
Me just come to apologize. The way how me behave with the other day.
So apologize now? You say you come to apologize, so you turn up a look.
Oh, yeah, do bad me for apologize to you?
No, I'm not bad up here. Why am I do
Okay,
that?
well. Marika, I am sorry for the way how I treated you. And me just it feel so you take my man, that's it.
I don't understand a Pinky. You not even do me here because I feel so me I take your man.
Hold on there. I obey me for your yard. Cause me reach out there and just a bite me so.
No, I'm not a problem. That's something that me a God fear in person.
Oh.
But anyway, your apology accepted.
Yeah.
I'm if I give you a friend win.
And guess what?
Oh.
I'm pregnant.
Congratulations, that's so nice. Finally, you have a pitney.
Yeah, and I want girl more want, so.
I hope a twin you get.
Well, if me get twin, me grateful for it. If me get one boy, I'm grateful. If I want girl, I'm still grateful, but it's okay. So anyways, you alright though?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just there asking up and something.
So how your man?
You know, saying good in Gampani Road, go have a drink with your friend them.
Oh. So no good though then?
Yeah, we're good. We call it so.
Well, alright, that made it comfortable, so.
Yeah, man, later. I'm gonna put this on my status right now.
No! Not do
Why?
that.
Why?
Me not deal with the status thing. Not do that. No put me
I'm
on
not
no
gonna call a
status.
name. I'm gonna put that's.
Okay, can like
Yeah.
gonna live for me there, alright.
That's none of your business. Bye. Alright, so.
Alia.
Look how long me call if you go under my head. No man. Me I wonder if you see something with there beg you.
Girl. Alright, now me put another mission.
Oh your belly out here. See time I'm going to look like. I ain't a white.
No,
Why?
girl. I'm pregnant.
You what?
Pregnant.
See who?
What's that?
Who?
When by for who? I one man me have, what you mean by for who?
Then true me see a tip out of your mother that they like it, they go lick off your man head. Me no feel say any man life.
You know, say this me.
I don't know this thing man but
This me, you know. Cause if you ask me about for who, this me, you know.
no other day me hear the talk, right? Yeah, do me head. The way all your tip off, you not even get to finish me head. You think out there go lick on him and I might as well kill him too.
Well, your head can't bother do today.
I don't want to get a bed for your breathing. I don't want to pick off all this funny.
Right now, I'm tired, girl. Right now, I'm overwhelmed. Oh, God. Me just,
So, you know,
girl, look at me. I get overwhelmed. But anyways, to all me, I'll feel, girl, all excited and everything. I go apologize to Marika.
You got apologize to Marika. Sorry, baby, make you do that.
Yeah?
So I say you did well one breed, man?
You think I make I can't breathe?
No.
Nobody
Nobody go there, so. Do not go there.
You think
Which
I
man?
take
Me
man
ask
like
you a
dog and
question.
can't
You
breathe?
ever see me with a man?
I don't want to see. I'm not
Exactly.
care.
So, you know me a take man.
Stop worry about my life, girl. Right now, look at this. Okay, come like you're not grow already. Don't want to see it.
Thank you. Oh, you come over here for?
No,
If
look
you
at,
can't
look
do
at.
it, where you come here for?
Look at, I touch my belly doing a cause.
Me don't want to touch you.
Sometime, you know, hand crosses, so nobody touch my belly. Look, Fanny.
Me don't want to see it neither.
This look like a 1 month. No, this look like it's only reach 2 months, though. Anyways, my friend, later.
So, me ask you a question. Now, when you find out you're pregnant,
Other day,
so how you reach 2 months already?
girl, if me go do the ultrasound right now, me know say me soon reach 2 months, and I know. Cause you see when me do the test, it line them bright. That means say belly all, the belly I get all and all. What you talk about?
How a man feel about this?
Happy? How you feel?
Me don't know some man now, you know.
I'm first Whitney.
Oh.
And I'm my first Whitney though. So how you feel?
You don't know some man tan.
You must see what I'm
Good afraid that you don't know, you know. No man. I'm good afraid. You don't have no laptop that you can lend me.
No.
So when I now work properly,
my man have 2 of them. I'm gonna lend one, but me not gonna lend none.
You know you cross his laptop.
No girl, not do that. I'm a man laptop.
Excuse God.
And if your laptop a crosses, that means that him a crosses, so you violate my man. Don't do it. I'm gonna my friend later.
That man there crosses funny day you make him. No, yeah, bro.
Yo, Benji. What go on, man? There, man, but you know, say still is the one thing more you do it for me. Yeah, man, more you do that thing for me. Remember, say you owe me a favor, and it's not like say I extort you know, but it's just a favor you owe me. Favor you owe me. Yeah, man, no say, you know, public. Yeah, Rasta public. You know, say, man, check the woman, and me I say, check the woman. He look up her status and thing and go and like say you want to come running. Yeah, man. Yeah. How are they, man, checking her and thing and I go and like say you want to come running? Yeah, so just do what you are do. Just go and match up where you match up and thing. But just remember say you owe me a favor. It's not extra but don't know you owe me a favor. Not say a word, man. Just do what you do. Just wrap up where you wrap up and alright, my sister, you know I love you already. Tomorrow me come check you, man. Alright, take care here. Alright, love you. Alright, sis.
When your sister talk, bro?
No, my tell me say a long time from I left them, I don't come check for them, so I hate me I do. Yeah, tell me say I come link him tomorrow and come on.
Pinky come here today, and when she come apologize to me. Yeah, I can remember me tell her say she come here to fight me for her man. You never remember though.
Remember, man, but I didn't know say that you talk about maybe I want different. So she come over.
Anyway, she come and when she come, me run in her house.
You think you come to beat her again?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm running her house now. She said, no man, no, nothing like that, me come, boy. When me go back out there now, she say, she apologize. For how she behaved the other day and she sorry and guess what again? Guess what now? Big news.
And give money.
Give me money?
Yeah.
Why should I want to give me money?
No.
Alright. She pregnant. Yeah. She pregnant.
Good news.
Yeah, good news.
Who is she pregnant for?
Our man.
Oh, so what make you so happy? Is she pregnant and are you pregnant?
So me happy. Hello. That's when I'm happy for other people, good things come your way. By the way, talking about good things come for you and this and that. You don't think it's time for we have for you look family now.
Mama, listen to me. Listen to me, I'm not ready for none of that right now. You understand? Because when I talk about pitney, I talk about I have to give you all of my life savings. Pitney mean money, you know. Pitney bring money, you know. You have got mind pitney. I'm not ready for no pitney yet.
So, 5 years with the fam. 5 good years. And you tell me say you're not ready for no pitney, then when you go ready for pitney?
When me ready for it, me ready for it. But you know me not ready for no pitney. I talk about I have to give you all of my life savings that I go to the pitney.
This not safe.
Me might suffer.
That means I
pitney cost money, you know.
Bob, what you tell me say?
What
that
idea
means
then?
That means our relationship not seal or nothing there.
It's sealed, but what you know really?
But if it's sealed without one pitney?
Listen, a pitney is not a handbag where you can just take up and carry on the whole place. It's not. Pitney come with responsibilities, everything. You understand? And I like something you can just take up and walk up and down with it. So. Pitney, brother, I'm not ready for no pitney charge. I don't know you come here and come talk about pitney. I'm telling you, brother, right now you're talking about pitney just mess up my whole mood. You know, me there to have a nice mood. And you come and say with a pitney argument, man. Make them have pitney if they want pitney. I'm not ready for none yet. I'm ready for pitney, I'm ready for pitney,
so aggressive, fam. Me just talk to you and tell us I'm ready. If me never ready, more to come to you.
Me not ready, though. Me not ready. So that's a whole different lot of statement. You ready, but I don't ready. You come and say pitney. I'm telling you, man.
This minute we go, the next minute we there. We come like we are bus. We are going from Mobile to Kingston.
Listen, you see like how you want it, you go and go have it yourself. Me not really necessary.
Oh, me feel have one pitney by myself.
You figure it out. Figure it out.
I can understand. And a 5 years with that fam.
Pinky, where you there? Where you there, Pinky? Where you there? You gonna do your hair again? No, man. So how much time a week you plan to do your hair because of this pregnancy thing? No, I don't have no money to buy no shrimp and no right now. When we go down so we see what kind of money we have. We have to balance the money. Girl, you listen to me I said to you? Me just go a barber, go shape a piece of my head side and that's it. And the man want to charge me $1,500 for what? Because everything raised. I know you are doing here twice in a 1 week. No, baby, you have to calm down. You have to calm that down. That can't work out. You know, financially, we must have for your baby and not for you. So we have to save the money for the baby when the baby come. So I understand why you make it sound like say. No, I'm not saying nothing look good enough, but you have to understand what I talk about. Babe, where you there? Where you say after? Alright, me meet you down on the road then if that's the case. Yeah, down on the lane, sir. Yeah, you're back there, man. Why you make life just complicated? We want like a conversation we're not supposed to have for 2 minutes. So I say you gonna stress me out through the pregnancy? Eh? Man, make you have to go pick one different father and come here and bother this time in the bossy. What? Me say me not have no extra money now. Me supposed to get some money because I went deal with some business yesterday with $30,000 what I have. Yes, the business. Yes, some other business we put towards the pregnancy plan. Yeah. So just hold on a little bit and wait. That's simple something. Alright, me meet you down there. Meet you down there. Jesus Christ, man. Why should I put the phone with me so long? Really, man.
Oh, still about.
Yeah, what? Yeah, brother, what going on? Long time to see you.
That good, man. So what go on?
I'm not there. I wait for me girlfriend forward. I want. Brother, me a bridge, you know, someone else trying to help me so. I mean, so what bridging?
Me ain't no bridging, brother. You violate my woman's charge.
Violate which
You
man? What you
know
talking
say
about?
me America there.
Are you America there, brother?
Stop going to man and stop going like you know say me America there. You come and contact boy like say. Like you don't know.
Brother, if me know that, bro, me not do that. There's a bro code. You have to know that bro code there.
And you violate her.
Me never know say a
You
fake
try
woman
look
go.
her.
No. I know say man see upon her status one and
You must see her pass.
yeah, but me never know. Me think of your brother, bro.
See this you try this her family. You know you put her tell me say me her brother.
What you mean, so me, brother?
Yeah,
No,
that, man.
a reason with you know.
No, this you try this me, you know.
What you mean this, sir?
This you try this me.
Brother, don't make it think sound so we are come from far. What go on, general? Go on, man. It's too big man a reason. You know what I mean? Come out to the rain and man, I get sick. You say all them sitting and me protect you them in that place, you know. But here me I say,
So
bro.
you try to protect my woman.
Me not protect your woman, brother. Me never know say your woman that me I try to explain to you. Me know say your woman will not do that. So what you say? Me a violate you.
You violate me.
Right now you sound like you violate me right now.
Oh, me not want to hear nothing from you.
What you mean say?
Not want to hear nothing
So
from
just
you.
here take it, bro?
Me no want to hear
Over
nothing
something
from
me
you.
not guilty. I guilty. What you mean I shake
Ease
up?
up off of me now. Yeah, come close to me. Don't come close to me, brother. I don't chat with you. You violate me, woman. For you violate me, woman, you violate me.
Bro, me I tell you this. I know nothing like what you have put it as. I say, alright, everything good. Big up yourself.
Watch yourself, you know.
It's a most joke thing to beef, boy. What for woman, the man?
What go on my you? Me not tell you to do that thing for me, man, and me still see the man but the place I go like you want run in for my place.
Listen, man. Me dip on the ball, brother. ball still a play, brother. See? But we not score big time yet. You understand?
Yeah.
Just have little faith in me, man. What do you remember my name?
Remember your name, man, but I told me say deal with that thing and you know deal with it because I still I see the
Yeah,
nigga
man,
me
but
I say.
you have to give it a time. Remember, you can't drink the soup when it's hot, you have to wait till it's cold.
That's true still, that's true.
And say so, come on, man. We never let you down yet,
Me know a thing though, man. Me know a thing though, man.
Remember say, you would live around Westland Mountain there.
Yeah.
Where they tell me about the same mission there.
Yeah, the same nigga there.
Remember say, it take little time to look at your record. What do you, man? Just give me a little time for it, man.
How long? How long?
Yeah, what? We can't really give a definite time, because I see them thing, we have to see when I see the green light,
Yeah.
then we can come to the room. It's jackpot, you get me, I say? But don't worry yourself, brother, man. I early out still.
Alright, don't let me down, you know. Don't let me down, you know.
No, let you down with general, man.
Alright. Bless up.
Alright, my brother.
Bless up. Alright.
Alright, general.
Does it feel like really hot me?
Eh?
Really?
Let me see that. What I'm saying? You look nice to me, girl.
Thanks.
How much you spent to do that one now?
8,000.
Jesus Christ, man. You spent 7,000 like two days ago to do your pink hair. I know you spent. You feel that this is wise? Eh? When baby come money done.
Anyways,
I tell a star. You ready?
you can't worry about that. Anyways, you know what worry me right now? You also we get up a country. Me no bother want go there so.
What do you mean about go this? And this is what we talk about and we secure about. That's where even me began to hear. And
Listen to
something
me.
there.
Listen to me. You see the country life enough for me. You see the shit in a pit and them there something there is not my lifestyle.
Babe, you know some country things kind of slow and we are trying to build it up this. So what you talk about?
You see the outside bathroom,
Yeah.
me can't take them there something. Them there something that can't healthy for me and the baby.
We mean outside bathroom. So you never know that already from we stung up some talk. You get confused or something?
It baby make me emotional.
Christ.
So it make me never think of that.
Alright.
When we up there so.
So what we go do then? What you plan for do then? Go back up a rent house?
Better we look somewhere different.
But when that a problem, I don't want to look somewhere and go spend rent for money when you claim you're pregnant.
So what you want me to do?
What do you mean you want to do?
Use the outside bathroom.
Yeah.
That not good for me and the baby. What you talk about?
But remember say we have jump out the door and we have, the bucket them in the house. So I same procedure is just manual. Eh?
So what you gonna do? Lift up every minute, lift up every minute.
Lift up every
dip
minute.
up every minute, dip up every minute.
If that's the case. Listen, remember say for the baby I do this now. The baby you claim say you have right now, I'm not sure yet. Because still every time I tell you to go to a doctor, you don't want to go to a doctor, but you have time for the year. That me I talk about. So once again, you sure say, sorry for making you hold the box so long. You sure say you have that tested? Or that tested? Wait, when did you do that tested? Where were you?
Up on my yard.
So how you never show me?
Me hide it.
Long story short, you know who me sleep on with that one ago? Eh? Dirty Bob. Bob said me a lucky woman. Can you imagine that? The same woman where you go kick down in door.
Yeah.
Me never know say him and Bob there.
Why Bob could just give you one big stone?
What do you mean big stone?
Why Bob could give you one big stone? You go on like you never look him man, woman.
Me say, me nah look them at woman. Me I show you things before and that's it. There's nothing more to it. It's not like say me want her. You understand me I say? As she want me no want her.
Or she no want you.
Me no want her.
So you not look back for her.
No. You have to understand say when my man say no.
Oh, so she didn't want you.
Yeah, of course.
And you never tell me that.
No, that's a long time before me. Babe, what make you have to try to twist up everything? Why are you twisting everything? Don't make things
baby,
look
I
so,
make me
man.
twist up me, you know.
I want me.
Me I go back in my memory box. When I tell me say she nah look you and you nah look
Alright,
her.
here we are. Go do the test. Come on, cause that conversation now go end well. Cause I understand where you go because you're not thinking straight.
Now go hang here, you know.
You're not having your ice cream?
Yeah.
Come here.
How are this? There.
I go there?
Mm-hmm.
I wanna go.
You not see a friend?
No, man, let's come.
You not see a friend?
Come on, let's
Pinky, alright, man. Later.
So we can get attitude, so.
Bob.
Hmm?
What happened?
Well,
Me not like how we distant from each other nowadays.
I mean,
Like me the hear you on your phone. We not used to play like how we used to play, laugh and talk and then something. Each time we there on your phone, me the one side. Me not like that.
I'm not talking about them something.
With something.
Me understand all the way you say, no. Me understand what you say, yes. But right now, tired, you see me? And you know, say come to think about it, me see for your so-called dirty man down there. On the road since there. You see him and the... Yeah, me see him.
Me see my woman today.
You see him?
Yeah.
Where you turn from and see him?
On the road.
So where you see him from?
What mean I see him from? I have two eyes.
See him or not see him? You say my eyes totally shut, see him and don't see him.
So how you see him and tell me say you see him? So what wrong?
Me not see him. I glimpse him. Seeing and glimpsing is two different stuff.
Well, I glimpse him with one of my eyes. So.
Yeah, so. I feel like you're not understanding things. Remember you say your name back then when you used to this something.
We never do that yet.
No, I mean say you do that, you say when you used to this.
What that mean?
This. You mean this.
We never do this. We never do that. You always protect me.
Yeah, expect somebody?
No, I not expect
You
nobody.
mean expect nobody?
So what?
Because you're the man out there too, you know.
Which man?
Yeah,
Which
I mean
man?
them thing there, no, my girl.
And that's how
Go and
you
go pull it
know,
door. Go and go pull it door.
Jesus
See if I
Christ.
see it. Make me see a man come to your door.
Atia, Alia.
Oh.
Acha, me not
Not
the
to
door.
one
Come
time,
on.
but yeah.
Bye bye.
Nuh-uh.
Bye free.
Night, man, night.
My
Yeah,
good brother.
yeah, man, yeah, man. No go and talk on the time. I got kitchen.
So as we come you want run, we are changing
No man,
from
no
big
man.
one.
Woman thing on that time. I got kitchen go make sandwich. She make she give her. She have the money, man. Make she give her. She
You're
have
too
it.
lie, man.
Me give her the money, man. Make she give her.
I'm not giving no money.
You know, so if you say you have a little brother, you're mean, and all that kind of stuff. Oh God.
I look for you better one. Now where you come from? Look dress up so nice.
Let me go look people, man, and come back.
Yes, you go do.
Look people, man, I want
Ali, I go look people, man.
I post it, pan. You don't learn, that you. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I'm not come over here to argue with you today, you know. I'm come over here to say. You see your post now sitting by your status about for your friend there.
Who that?
Pinky, the one that's pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
She. And what kind of thing them they post about the girl?
I'm post about her. I just take one little video of him and him man and me say everything that glitter is gold.
So what that's supposed to mean?
No mean no. I'm just post here and say that.
No, me no.
Remember, say you so in a while little dealings one long time, you know.
Tap say me any man in a dealings, he just always did that protect me.
Protect you. You look like everybody behind cow. Look like me I eat that, but just to protect me. You just to protect me. Marika, stop posting things. Support Pinky this week now.
I don't care about Pinky. You're going like something, me not care. And my status, me post some want post for my status. You understand?
Why? It seems like you dumb no cause you don't know who Pinky be.
So?
Look, Pinky head way cheap. More Pinky over there do me head and a mad girl. More see me. When he hear same thing, so go on. See the look all for your head, it even do good. If I did Pinky to your head, you would have do better than that.
I don't care what you want to say. And the person do me here good.
Listen me.
Anyway.
You are my brother woman. And I protect you.
Protect me from what?
You come like you not hear me and say, Pinky might come over here and lick sense in you.
I chat. Pinky can't go and do nothing. And by the way, I'm not even sure if you pick me in her belly for the man.
Whoa, you see, I jealous, you know. I saw me know see you and the man and things, you know. And you see, if you not go so, in near if you go so, you can't tell me nothing.
Jealous.
Because me I hear one little something for the road, you know. And you see, if you go so, me tell you, head and proud of you, because if my brother no be too man, I'm going to start licking your rotted. That me I tell you. Because you see anger issue when I'm already? One, you might see nail in your pan, you. One.
Yeah, your brother can go one side. And me and the man in no dealings. I just want to have one picnic for myself. And your brother can't tell me about say him not ready to have picnic.
Oh, so true you want to have picnic for yourself. Yeah, what can I talk to Pinky picnic and building up your man?
Me?
Oh, you just
I
look wild.
Me tell you, me not tell nobody else.
Oh,
so
me go know that. I hope by later me not see him. Why? Picnic and Pinky belly and for your man.
If
They
you
go
want to post
kill
it
him.
for my status, me post it. That is
No,
my
posty.
business.
Posty.
By the way, what you do over here? Conga ya.
Let me tell you something.
Come
Enough
on.
your yard, me there, my brother yard. So you can't put me out of
You
this.
can give your brother wife?
It no matter.
Can you give your brother wife?
Me can't give my brother a whole heap of woman do a true. Me respect you.
Go on.
And a fool, my brother fool he look like.
Go on.
I mean, I know I sit down with this a humpy dumpy.
I mean, I know me I sit down with your brother with fool like our.
Because you are idiot, man, not like
And
your
you are
style.
idiot. That's why you
Look,
can't have no man for yourself.
No, baby, love, people man nice
That's-
and comfortable. I
yeah.
don't want no man for myself.
That's the way you can go. You
Yes.
can't keep a man, so you have to take people, man.
Yes.
Come on, Tamios. Go on, go
Don't
on.
touch me now.
Come
Don't touch
on. Me no want you over here. Go on.
me. Watch me and you.
Because me your brother there, you not even can
What
keep
sweet
one man
nanny
for
goat,
1 month.
I go run in
As
belly.
next
Remember me
week,
tell you
come
that.
have a different man. Come
Oh,
on.
yourself.
Bad man, brother.
The cash are coming, I don't business.
So we not have cash.
You over here sit down, my brother, I'm broke.
Me not broke me love. Because me pay for me
You
nails
sit
and
down
me
over here,
hair.
I'm broke.
If I hear a brother mother
Broke.
go bush gun yam.
That's why you not give no money because you workless. Where? I gotta tell my brother to give you a bun, go a girl.
I say a grind, you have to grind for your money so you can't.
Now worry yourself, it good, it good, it good.
Yeah. Actually good, that's why your brother still have me.
It good, it good, it good. Now worry yourself,
Don't
leeches,
talk
boy.
with that,
I gotta tell my brother to give you a bun, watch. I want him bun, yo.
Bright and face, the bun for bun, you never hear that.
Alright, you are going now. Certain things me can't give right now.
Yes.
1 second, please. Yeah, man, because one brother named Bob now, he might come link me up and act like say. He might make it seem like say me having no problem. Yeah, I'm gonna like vibes like that. I tell you. Alright, yo, me shout you back and take, yeah? Yeah, man, come here on that little surveillance camera right now. Yeah, alright. Let's see how one.
Sorry if you owe me I give you a problem in your life.
You see, what you need to understand is that we are go through one phase. You claim you're pregnant, right? And we need to find out for myself if you feel comfortable. But you have to know, say, boy, we have to run this together if we are do it together. Enough money not run left a long time, you know. Because you don't understand yourself right now, you can blame upon this. Watch it. Me no know what I go on. You claim say. I just be a claim, claim. You understand me, I said, Jane? So we plan for the, we plan to stay person now. Come in now, go back to our country now.
Alright, we're going to stay here,
Yeah,
so.
stay so.
And you go get it test.
Alright, cool. I will get the test and we sort it out. Let's make sure it's a minute of foolishness. Going forward, moving forward. Back and forth thing, you know, worthy. But this is the last time you're here. The next thing you hear some big plot about in it. Because you're not going to know we're on no road. You understand me I say? Stop shake. Me I talk to you. You hear me say to you?
I'm a hot girl, you know.
You're a hot girl
so
out
me
of
can't
road.
promise about no big plot.
Yo, you're a hot girl out of road, but this is a different part. A big plot time, so just make up your mind. The money that every time when you have to do it, you're putting in one pan and you see how fast the money go. You understand me I say? When last do one here, I'll be a few here you do. That makes sense? And you're here just when you want to the people who walk and spend with you. And then can't even spend with you because you don't have time for them. That not add up. Why you look so wet now? When you go a pipe man, tap turn on the pipe force on your face. How is that coming?
Hello. Good night.
What going?
You can give me a second more talk to my friend.
Yeah man, take an hour man.
Oh. Alright. So you're impregnated. So, me go over Marika yard. Cause Missy Marika post up you on her status with your man.
What?
It's not everything you glitter is gold.
Give me a cigarette.
Wait, no.
Well, no, give me a cigarette. Me nobody feel like me a choke. Give me a lighter.
You know, done this so. And then I can't
Give me the lighter. Go on now.
The penny done this so. I know for your man.
Where say?
She said penny in the belly enough for your man. And me they talk to the girl and tell the girl say enough for post there something there. The girl I say no business with you. You're lucky. You can't do him nothing. One bag me have to chase the girl down there.
I respect that. But you not tell the girl like my head no.
You think I like every time me tell him say you can't cope, but he come like he not quick in her head.
Oh man.
Say Michael just come like a them big old Billy. You know them Billy back there? Cause me they tell the girl say you're sick in your head. The girl say, me not care, me not this, me not that. So me ask him what I mean by say I know everything glitter gold. So this time the pitney in your belly I know for your man.
Hey.
That was her reply.
So she wants to sick tonight. She wants to sick tonight.
Pregnant. Maybe pregnant.
Alright, it's alright. Later, yeah?
So you're going so?
I'm going.
You're going? So can you put me light and I know your teeth front and
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright.
Go on. Go on,
so you like how you behave now?
What, me a going to my man?
No man, you're going in a mad zone now. Call when the mother go on so.
Me a going to my man. Go on now, me a see you through. Go on.
Make sure you know. Alright, take care.
So the girl I really don't know me now. Well, go on.
You're good.
Yeah, me alright.
So, what you do down there tonight?
Just there, I go on easy.
You see your man today, I want to go.
You know, so we go buy ice cream and thing though.
Oh, that's so nice. So, what you smoke?
Girl, no worry about that. Cause right now, if me never smoke a jail, me there.
Why you there, jail?
How yourself, man?
You need to stop with smoking. I can't take you center smoking on my house. So you out here or something. Oh God.
No, this cigarette, man.
Like seriously?
See out there.
Think you will come over here.
Yeah, no, I come over here for.
Where come over here
You
for?
know, say I joke with my badness.
I started to make you come over here.
Hey!
You
Yeah, joke with my badness, you know.
what kind of badness?
Say, I know everything with our goal. What you try? What you do? What that mean? Me I talk to you now, me I ask you, say, what you mean by honor everything glitter gold?
Girl, different open doors.
What you mean by that?
So you take off your girl, relax. Remember say you're pregnant.
Right now, me the even business about pitney in a belly. Cause I know if you chat say, he pitney enough for him already.
Duh. Remember saying they gonna find.
So I'm gonna ask you last time. Why you post me for your status? Cause me never follow if you post me no. Cause dead dog that. But why you post me?
Think you go on.
Girl, why you post me?
Me not night tonight. Please.
So when by night, why you post me?
Go on.
Why you post me?
I'm not.
Why you post me? Eh? What make you post me? Hmm? What make you post me? You want me man? You want me man? You want me man? Hmm? You want me man? You want me man?
You kill her.
Me?
Yeah.
I mean I go ground. Take her up off of the ground now. That's true.
They can't go. They kill one girl.
Me?
Yes. Yeah, they
So
kill the
weak.
girl, man. Look at the man, babes.
You
Don't do
just
that,
call me
man.
babes.
I don't time for that, man.
You know when you not call me babes?
Well, that's right, man.
Eh?
Can you kill the people and
Me?
Oh.
Jesus
Sorry.
Christ, that's how I did one thing down here, I don't know.
What you do?
And you cast
What you
this,
do?
you know.
What you do?
My post for my stuff.
You post this on the-
Post for my stuff on Shane Diamonds and everything glitter gold. So me I gonna do now.
Yeah, go call her man, you know. Call her man to come for her.
But me not having.
Find his number. My girl, stop the kind and take up your girl now.
Oh my God, the girl.
My girl, call the girl, man, I can't take him up out of my bed. Man, I'm not fixing no bit.
You subscribe yet?